Well, my friend here, Abby, say hi, Abby.
Hi.
She suggested that I should play White Noise. So I downloaded it. And here we go.
Now, you guys might want to turn your volume a little bit down because I'm really sweaty. And so,
Start game. Random location. Who am I gonna be?
just go for it. No, look at the, which one do you want to be? Do you want to be someone who's...
I'm gonna be that weird blonde guy. Okay.
Okay.
He seems fun.
Okay. You might want to turn your volume a little bit down. I might scream a lot. You have to find all the tape recorders. So run is RT, but you only need that in case you see white noise. And then the flashlight to turn off. To turn off your flashlight, because your flashlight will turn off because it can use power. And so, if you're wondering, I have played this before.
And I haven't.
Yeah.
So.
It's kind of like Slender.
Yeah, it's all. Except for you, like at the beach. I'm at the beach. There's palm trees. That's a really. That is a fancy palm tree. I like that.
The freakiest map that you could ever do on White Noise.
Oh no.
Is it is Bunker 51.
Oh, that's just fun. Can't you jump?
No.
Is that a monkey? Is that like some sort of ant monkey? Cool. The ant monkey! Where? Which is that whenever everyone's nearby? What do they look like? Are you sure that's not white noise? White noise sound like. Okay. I think I'm getting closer. Think.
But when you finish the game, it's so cozy.
Ew! Look at his face. Look at. No, that's his tongue. Oh, I found it. Yes. How did I pick it up? That's my flashlight.
Don't you smell it? The dread, the sweat, the guilt.
What does white noise look like? White? What is that?
It's called bark.
Ooh, I see. What if white noise goes in there? You sure? Is that white noise? I just heard a growl. Nope. Oh, what is... that's a glowing tree.
Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Or else you're not.
The glowing tree? Oh.
It's not a glowing tree either. Well, me and my cousins call them gummy bears.
Where'd it go?
Look at it.
Where'd it go?
It's close. Just don't look at it.
Why can't I look at it?
Because the white noise will kill you.
Oh, no, I don't like white noise.
White noise is
Now I just want to go. There's I think I just...
I think you're right.
Yeah, I'm going to He's awake. What?
Don't focus on the stars.
Why not?
You
They're
guys-
beautiful.
You guys might be wondering why I'm really tired. It's because we woke up. Yeah, most of
Can I swim?
No.
Or not? They won't let me swim. Screens. I think he's near. Because I hear Oh my god! Oh my god! Did he just cough? Did he? Oh, I found a tape recorder! Oh, that's my flashlight.
I wish I had listened.
It scared me.
Feeling regret now.
Calm down. Oh,
Oh, God.
look. A windmill. Why? My mom's probably gonna like walk in and be like, maybe he's screaming. Are y'all dying? No. He's near. He's near.
It's even.
No, I'm trapped. I'm trapped. I'm trapped. Oh no.
No, you're
Oh
not.
no.
No, you're not.
Oh, no. Yes, I am.
Don't turn around.
Oh, it keeps on getting foggier. Foggier. No, he's near. He's near. Nope. Nope. He's growling. Wait, can you die?
Yes, you can die.
Time expired.
Oh.
Oh well.
Well, guys, hope you like this video. We spent a lot of time working on making it.
Like 2 hours?
Yeah, a really long time. And hopefully, my next videos that I post won't be that hard. Well, hope you liked it, and don't forget to like, leave comments, and subscribe.
Leave a comment below to the games that you want us to play.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Later.